Your GoPro crying in the snow versus DJI Osmo Action 6 Essential Combo laughing at -20 degrees Celsius. Real proof inside. What's worse than nailing the perfect powder turn at golden hour, pulling out your camera, and it's already dead, or the footage looks like a potato? I watched my buddy's GoPro shut off at -12 degrees Celsius last winter. His face said it all. If you've ever had your adventure ruined by a dying action cam, type "been there" below. That sinking feeling when the battery icon flashes red halfway down the mountain, or the sunset clips come out grainy and blown out because the camera couldn't handle the light. Cold fingers, wasted moments, and the quiet rage of knowing you'll never get that run back. Imagine never having to feel that sting again. Then I accidentally discovered the DJI Osmo Action 6 Essential Combo on a -18 degrees Celsius dawn patrol in Hokkaido. This thing doesn't ask permission, it just works. The new 1/1.1-inch square sensor plus variable f2.0 to f4.0 aperture finally gives you clean 4K, whether you're in cave dark forests or blinding snow glare. RockSteady 3.0 plus turns violent downhill chatter into butter. The battery? A ridiculous 4 hours at 1080p, still over 2.5 hours hammering 4K at 60 frames per second, while staying alive down to -20 degrees Celsius. Last month, my friend Sam dropped his glove mid-Black Diamond run, voice commanded DJI shoot video, nailed the line hands-free, and still had 38% battery at the bottom. Gesture control, dual touchscreens, 20-meter waterproof without a case, 50 gigabytes built in so you're never card blocked. It's not another action cam, it's the first one that refuses to be the weak link. 9 months later, I'm still using the same Osmo Action 6 Essential Combo. Scotland in February, Morocco in July, Iceland in November. Zero fogging, zero shutdowns, zero regrets. Tech reviewer Ali Abdal called it the first action camera I forget I'm using because it never fails. A dad I met in Chamonix told me straight up, I filmed my daughter's first ski jumps all day in -14 degrees Celsius. My old camera would have died before lunch. Now I've got footage that actually looks cinematic. Some people hesitate thinking it's another gadget I'll outgrow. Reality, the variable aperture and cold-proof battery are features you'll use on every single shoot for years. The square sensor means your vertical reels and horizontal YouTube edits come from the exact same clip. No quality loss, no extra work. Thousands of us have quietly made the switch and never looked back. Which part would free you the most? Never swapping batteries again? Nailing low-light golden hour? Or finally trusting your camera in real winter? Drop it below. I read every one. This isn't about owning another camera. It's about never missing the moment that matters because of gear failure. Pros, weekend warriors, and parents are already filming their best stories with the DJI Osmo Action 6 Essential Combo and wondering how they ever lived without it. If you're ready to upgrade from anxiety to pure confidence, the link is right in the description. Grab yours and go make the footage you'll show your grandkids. Watch till the end for the exact settings I use in -20 degrees Celsius. See you on the mountain.